Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Correct Bet. I've explained to you guys concerning this survey studies before, so I don't know if you guys still remember about this survey. So this survey study is about taking online survey studies. After taking the studies, they pay you. Just all you need to do is always come online, check if you have any survey study to take. Then if you have your study, you take them, answer the question that you need to answer and submit. So once you pass each survey, you will be paid in dollars. So this is how this survey works. This is the apps that you need to download. All these apps here, you will download them one by one, all of them. Each one have its own work on this survey. For example, this internet is a Samsung browser. It's a Samsung browser. So it has its own work on the survey. Then Firefox or Chrome. You can get these three browsers. Then Gray app. This one is used to create your foreign account. Then Work Task is a different thing. Another different earning app. This one you earn with this particular app by trekking. So as you are trekking, your steps will be counting. Those counting is point. So once the point reach the amount that is needed, you will be paid. So this Work Task is different one. And before downloading it, you have to switch on your VPN, active VPN, before you can download it. Or even if you download it without VPN, it won't work. You have to download it with a VPN, and the location on the VPN must be United Kingdom. So that one is different. Then user testing. This user testing is for the survey. User testing, and this Mysterium is for the VPN. So all of them have how to use it. This Class SIM is the one you use to purchase your foreign phone number. So you used to purchase it online. Some people, what they used to do, if one person can't purchase it, they just share the money, like 5 people can share it or 4 people. Then this LinkedIn is one that you will use after downloading the LinkedIn. You just sign up, then you'll be used when creating your Gray account. It will be used. So all this app, see, either you download the LinkedIn or Fiverr, this a Fiverr app or LinkedIn, that work in the same thing. Just like a freelancing. So it's all about freelancing. So once you download, any of them can be used, either LinkedIn or Fiverr. So once you sign up, everything will be explained. Just once you download all this app, if you're interested on this survey, you chat me on WhatsApp. I will explain to you how it works. I'll explain to you how it works. Then, if you are ready for it, then I have group for it. I'll now add you guys for the group. Then I will teach you how to start it, things that you need to do. First of all, these are the things that is needed for you to start the survey. Then the first thing is create your Gray account first and get your UK and US bank account. Get it ready. Then when creating it, you will be needing any government issued ID card for your account to be verified. So once approved, you are okay. You have you have your UK bank account number and the US bank account number. So this Gray is used to withdraw your money to your local banks anytime they paid you for survey through paper. So paper is used, how you create your papers through this browsers. So you don't download the paper app. No, you just through their website, direct website, create your account, sign up with your UK phone number. Easy to create your paper. So after creating it, I'll now guide you to other things, how to link up your survey site to your paper so that anytime you finish taking your survey, they will now pay you through your paper. So from your paper, it will now go to your Gray. So from Gray, you now withdraw it to your local banks in Nigeria. So this is how this survey works. So this Mysterium is the VPN they are using. So this VPN is expensive, but it's very, very powerful. Very, very, very powerful. It's expensive. Monthly subscription for this VPN is 17,500. As for now, 17,500. So what people used to do is like 5 people can share it. So they used to share it like 3-5 each. 3-5 each. So it's a monthly subscription for that 75. They share it. 5 people can share it. So they can't exceed that 5. It's only 5 or 4. If 4 people are using it, it's perfect. It's perfect. But if they want the money to reduce for them for the subscription, they can just 5 people use it. But you should not exceed 5. Then that is for Mysterium. Then this is user testing for the survey site. So I will guide you things you do, how to take your practice test on this user testing. So after taking your practice test, then you start getting studies. All you need to do is connect your VPN, then come and take your studies every day. Any question that you don't know, you can post in the group. People that know it will answer it. Or if you don't know, anyone that you people don't know, I will now show you the one that they have answered before. Then you take the one to take. Because they always do some question randomly. So maybe the one Okeke answer may not be the one that Okoro will answer. The one that Peter answer may not be the one John will answer. So that is how survey works. And all these survey require computer. Some require phone. So there's some that come with a phone. Some that come with phone that you need to answer through phone. There are some that you answer through computer. And mostly the ones that comes with the computer is the one that is more higher. They paid more higher with the one that comes with computer. You can see the one like $5 each study, each survey you answer, $5, $8 upward. So and how this thing works is that anyone that you answer very well, if you are getting all your survey studies, you are passing all of them all the time. They will be bringing you more high-paid survey. They will be bringing you more high-paid. Maybe you'll be getting like $10, $12, $15, $20 upward because you are passing your survey. You are giving them good feedback. All they need for this survey is give them a very good feedback. So they use all this, your feedback, to know, because there's some product in the market, maybe for example, this electronics or any new product that want to come out, they will use this survey to ask people to get their opinion on some certain products, how they use this, how they feel, how they want it to be, how will it be, so that everybody will enjoy the product, how will it be. All through this surveys, how they get to know people's opinion, people's mind. So this is how this survey works. So that's why you don't need to rush each survey they gave you because you want to go and answer another one. Just calm down and take the survey smoothly. Give them a very good feedback so that you pass that one, they'll give you another one. As you're passing all of them all the time, they will be giving you more high paid. So after answering each survey, they will now pay you through your paper account. So that paper, from there, you now move it to gray account or leatherback or gray. They work together. They work almost the same. They have leatherback or gray. So your paper, you can't use your Nigerian number to create it. You only use your UK phone number to create it so that you'll be verified Then after doing that, I'll now show you how to link your Nigeria number to it. By then, you don't need the UK number again, because that UK number subscription is monthly. So now everybody, like 3 people, can also share the UK number, because one person can be paying the amount monthly. But if you are fast, you can just create your paper and do everything waiting before the month finish. Link your phone number. You can even create like 5 papers before the month end, and link your different phone numbers on it. That's all. So this is how this survey works. You need only Android smartphone, that's all, and the computer. If you have computer, if you don't have computer, you can always go to cyber cafe, use it to answer your studies. Or if you have someone, maybe a friend or brother or sister, that can take this survey on your behalf, if the person have computer, laptop, or anything, tabletop, can just help you to take this survey study. I will pass. So all this thing, I will teach you how to go about them, so that you'll be earning through survey. So many of you they stay, but I don't know that survey pays very well. It's because nobody guide you on how to go about it. It's step by step. All this app, download them. Once you finish downloading, you chat me on WhatsApp with the number showing on the screen, 07036760527. So I'll now tell you the course fee, and the only thing you need to start this survey is the course fee, then money to subscribe for the VPN, and the money to subscribe to buy your UK phone number. That is the only thing. There is no another thing you are spending here again. Just to subscribe for your VPN, then buy your UK number. That's all. There's nothing again. Then you start your survey. You get your data for your internet connection you'll be using to answer your survey. That's all. Have all this app, and you chat me on WhatsApp. I will teach you how to start the survey, how to take your studies every day by day. And I will tell you the days that you need to create survey sites. And like if you want to have multiple accounts, I will tell you the days you need to create multiple accounts, so that you'll be getting enough studies, especially during the working days. So all this I will teach you in the course. When any of you are interested on it, you chat me on WhatsApp for it. So once you download all this app and you're already interested for this survey, chat me on WhatsApp. This is Correct Bet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so that I don't miss my video next time or anytime I post them. Alright, this is Correct Bet. See you on the next video. This is all about survey. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice sleep.